Hey guys, Matt here again with Greensward, just another way to keep it green, and today is really going to keep it green. So what we're going to talk about today is magnesium. Same thing as like Epsom salt. Soak your feet in it. Also a couple different ways that other human beings use it. But for the lawn, it really helps in chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Those are those big fancy words we sat in biology in high school and we all forgot about. But photosynthesis is a way for the plant, especially the grass plants, to make sugars, which are their energy source. So again, magnesium again is great for color. It helps with the chlorophyll process, the photosynthesis process, which again allows the plant to generate sugars, which again generate energy, which make it green is what we're looking to do. So again, another way to keep it green, use some Epsom salt, use some magnesium for your lawn. Obviously we put it in our treatment, so it's an opportunity to keep the lawn nice and green. Just another way to keep it green.